Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you lot of drawing tricks and that will be hopefully helpful for you also. You just have to be stay tuned so that you can try to make such beautiful paintings. First, with the help of the pencil, and I'm going to show you using the shading technique, we are going to create a 3D effect of this bird. This activity is very simple, it's so beautiful, it's very nice, it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 12 to 13. All you just need is just a pencil and see how perfectly this turns to be. Let's move towards our another project. Here again I am making use of the shading pencil and see how I'm holding it. You just have to hold it in the same way. After that you just have to make the leaves. It will represent a turnip. You can make any other vegetable, fruit, whatever you are just interested in making. You can just trace that down. This activity is again so simple. We will now move towards our another project. First I am making the lines as it's apparent on your screens. Roughly after that, with the help of the shading pencil that I am holding somewhat tilted, I am going to just make the flower. This activity is again very simple. It's very less time consuming and it's very beautiful also. Don't forget to make the middle portion highlighted so that it will look more attractive and more fascinating. See how I am going to make the leaves and the other parts in the surroundings. This activity is again very simple. Let's now move towards our another project. Here again I am going to use the pencil and that too I have to sharpen it perfectly. Then I have to hold it tilting manner. Like here you can pause the video and see how I'm holding it. After that you just have to do the minute detailing and try to make this moth perfectly. This activity is very simple and it's very easy. You don't need to fill it with colors. All work is done using the pencil and 3D shading is done perfectly. This might look difficult to you but it's very easy if you will become pro in practicing this one. It looks so nice and see how this turns to be at the end. Let's now shift our attention towards our another painting. First you just have to make some of the strokes of the pencil as shown on your screen. These will represent some of the grass. After that you just have to make the tiny flowers. This activity is again very simple. It's so cool, it's so beautiful and you can definitely go for this one. We will now try to make something new and different. Here again using my pencil I'm going to show you how I can create a 3D effect of this beautiful flower. You just have to be patient while you are performing such type of the activities. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. This painting is going to turn out to be perfect and it looks so nice and beautiful. We will move towards our another project. Here I am taking again pencil in the slanting direction and then after that I am going to just focus on these leafy areas. This activity is very nice and beautiful. It's also somewhat time consuming but you don't need to fill such type of the paintings with the colors, so you can save your time for filling the colors. This is so nice and so easy. You just have to be careful where you have to highlight the things and where you have to keep it, like the shading one. This looks so nice and perfect. Just go for this one. Thank you.